Shout out to all my breast cancer survivors. And also, guys, I want to show y'all something. Y'all hold on 1 second.
You are now tuned into Flyroy, the trend setter. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.
Guys, I wanted to show you this. I'm not sure if you've seen this. Well, your boy is tapping in with these people around, these local people where they make custom LED logos, and you can put them wherever you want. You can put them in your grill. You can put them on your the back of your car. You can put them on you, as I did with mine, license plate, and this does light up. You can get any color you want. You can also get you a RGB. I forgot the name of it. But it connects to this and it'll allow this to change colors. You know what I'm saying? What y'all see is, man, like I said, breast cancer. Y'all see the breast cancer thing up front? You know what I'm saying? And again, man, shout out to Curves on the Streets, man. Not only did she get your boy a Snoop Dogg shirt, you know what I'm saying? She know how much I love LA, Miss California, man. She went to California and brought your boy back a legendary Snoop Dogg Dr. Bombay shirt. She also brought me back a one of Snoop Dogg's favorite pop-up, I forgot what they call, Foco dolls or Fuku dolls. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, y'all please excuse me. But y'all go and check them out, man. He got one legendary one that he really likes himself, which is the man with the two braids with the football in his hand. That's one of the legendary Snoop Dogg Fuku dolls. And also, if you guys want to tap in and see the actual store itself and get a walkthrough through the store, y'all tap into Curves on the Streets on YouTube. She just made a video about the whole store, her whole experience, and she got something legendary that happened to her over there that y'all might want to tap in. Y'all also make sure y'all watch out and tap in for the rest of the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Drop something in the comments, man, and let me know if y'all like the LED, the little lights, you know what I'm saying? The ones at the bottom that you can get with your own logo. You can also get, like I said, you can get anything on it. And we outside today. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Also, man, I haven't been posting videos about the puppies. I've been a little busy dealing with the puppies and, you know, just everyday life and you know what I'm saying, everything, kids, all that good stuff. But, man, the puppies are doing well. They are changing colors. You know, I thought I was going to end up with a gray one, and one of them is still gray. But the one that I really, really wanted to keep is not gray anymore. It's actually changing colors. And it's something real unique about that puppy. It's so crazy, guys. The puppy actually has a smiley face on his stomach. You know what I'm saying? Maybe later on, or maybe in another video or so, I will show you guys that. You know what I'm saying? But the puppy does have a smiley face on his stomach. Not something that I drew on. The actual hair in the, you know, when dogs got little white spots or whatever. Well, she has a whole smiley face on her stomach, man. Y'all drop something in the comments, man. Let me know. I'm pretty much, y'all have seen that. But me, myself, as my personal, me breeding dogs, I have never seen it. So, yeah, she got a smiley face. Something real unique, extinct. You know what I'm saying? I hope it stays there. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it'll be a happy puppy. I don't know. Yes, sir. Hold on, man. I had the wrong hat on, man. Y'all see it? Actually, I had the right hat on, but I had to put it with the, you know what I'm saying, with the right hat. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense to y'all, man. Now I can get it. I don't know if y'all know about them mirrors. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that one thing sliding through them mirrors? Yes, sir. I'll go ahead and tell y'all, man. You see that 56 right there, man? 56, man, was the real Flyroy. You know what I'm saying? The real, not the real Flyroy, but the original. You know what I'm saying? The original Flyroy. You know what I'm saying? There you go right there, 56. Let's get it. Say hey. Say hey, Dede. Say hey, little girl. You not gonna say nothing? Say hey. sir. Top of the morning, top of the money, top of the morning, top of the money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, shout out to Money Smooth Movement, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Same Hustle, New Money. Y'all make sure y'all go check them out, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but look, so today I got to take the puppies off the mama. You know what I'm saying? So we on our way to my favorite store. Y'all gonna find out what that is. You know what I'm saying? We gonna slide in there. I wanted to bring my partner with me, but he also need to, you know what I'm saying, to take a bath, and that's gonna be coming real soon. Actually, I'm probably gonna be taking both of the dogs, you know what I'm saying, mama and daddy, to get them all washed up and everything and take them in. But far as up today, man, we get ready to set this puppy situation up, man. I gotta, you know, like I said, take them away from the mom. We also gonna start making them some mush, start feeding them that, and also, you know what I'm saying, y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, and y'all know my saying, you are a master of your abilities. Let's get it. So y'all see my favorite store, man. Let's go in here and let's get it, man. Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone can. What? Oh! Hi, stop it. Yeah. What's this, Jada? Snack attack. Snack attack. Yeah.
Y'all see it, man. So I split the puppies up. The other two, the three will be leaving very soon. But y'all see the ones that's still up. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. They freshly full and ate. Y'all see them fat bellies. Oh, fat bellies. Yeah, and y'all can see, man. So, as I showed y'all before, they was all gray. These are the two that were all gray. And they are changing colors. You see that? Big belly, eyes open. Y'all see them? They also got little teeth right now. They got some little bitty miniature baby teeth. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. But y'all see it, man. We got everything nice and hooked up for them. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Y'all see that? So they're changing colors. It's like that coat comes off. Yep. Y'all see it though, man. Y'all stay tuned. Drop something in the comments, man. Let's get it.
Take turns.
Hey man, this for Mama Pimpin' Young. Let me lace your gators. You see, life is not a journey, it's a destination.